What is happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits Spirit of Day number 315. Okay, so this one's a double down. One thing is, I can't believe I haven't had this on the show, because I know when I got the center bottle, I was sure I put it on the show. Like, sure that I put this on the show. And I can't seem to find the video anywhere, which means I haven't put it on the show. Obviously, I must have done a live stream or something along the lines of this one. And the next thing is, this is a nana nana boo boo, stick your head in doo doo, because you can't get this anymore. And that is the Blenders release from Odd Society Spirits. This got released, COVID time, 6 months ago maybe. Gord had a good friend come in from Scotland, helped him blend this out with all the different barrels that they have going there. They're really getting a nice little like rick house going at Odd Society. 100% single malt. Classic Odd Society on the nose. That little twinkle of like bright cut grass, flowers, meadows, and then those deep nuances of the oak right there on the nose. On the palate, it's a teeter-totter of that cut grass, Highland Speyside style, and then this deep, almost chocolates and spice sort of note. It's a teeter-tottering on my palate, back and forth. Which am I going to finish off with? That chocolate, that beautiful spice just sings, just resonates, but you still got a little bit of nice brightness under your lips, between your teeth, your front teeth and your lip. Just a fantastic balance of classic, in my opinion, classic like Highland Speyside style single malt, cut grass, meadows, that sort of thing. And then that beautiful chocolates, light dry caramels, vanilla spice, oak in the back end. It's a teeter-totter. This is what I'm going to call it. This one's my teeter-totter of flavor for my single malts. So, thanks as always, guys. If you can find a bottle, which I know some liquor stores are still kicking it about, here you go. It is the Blenders release from Odd Society. If you can find it, get it. Great little addition to your cabinet. Thanks as always, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.